Now, today's topic is the types of the milk. There are the various types of the milk. Out of these, the first one is acidophilus milk. It is the first type, acidophilus milk. This type of the milk that should be prepared by the development of the culture, the bacteria like lactobacillus acidophilus into the milk is known as acidophilus milk. These are the first type. The second one is condensed milk. This type of the milk is stemmed by the evaporating the part of the water from the whole milk or fully or partially skimmed milk is known as condensed milk. And in this milk you should add the some amount of sugar or the without sugar is known as condensed milk. That is the second type. The third one is tone milk. In this, the two types, that is the single tone milk and the double tone milk. In this, the first one is single tone milk. It is the milk that should be obtained by the addition of water into the skim milk powder to the whole milk containing the 3% fats and 8.5% solid not fats. This type of the milk is known as single tone milk. Means it is the milk that should be obtained by the addition of the water into the skim milk powder to the whole milk containing 3% fats and 8.5% solid not fats. The second one is double tone milk. These are the same type, that is the single and the double. Double tone milk, it is the milks that should be obtained by the addition of water into the skim milk powder, and the milk that should be containing the 1.5% fats and the 9% solid not fats is known as double tone milk. Now the next type is market milk. This type of the milk, it is fluid milk that is sold to individual directly to the consumption in the market. This type of the milk, market milk, means it is fluid type of the milk that should be sold into the market, and that type of the milk may be used directly for the consumption of the human beings. Next one is sterilized milk. It is homogenized milk. Sterilized milk is homogenized milk that should be heated at the temperature to 100 degrees Celsius or more than 100 degrees Celsius to some time, that it remains, this type of the milk, it remains fit for the human consumption for at least 7 days. This sterilized milk means it is the type of the milk that should be obtained, or homogenized milk that should be heated at the temperature 100 degrees Celsius or more than 100 degrees Celsius for a specific time, and that type of the milk that should be prepared for the remaining fit for the human consumption up to the 7 days This type of the milk is known as sterilized milk. Next one is homogenized milk. It is the type of the milk in which the fat globules are subdivided to the less than 2 micron in the diameter under the pressure of 2500 psi pounds per square inch. This type homogenized milk means it is the type of the milks in which the fat globules may be divided into the less than 2 micron in diameter under the pressure of 2500 psi pounds per square inch. Next one is recombined milk. The product soft curd milk, the milk that forms a soft curd when coagulated with the rennet or the pepsin under the standardized procedure is known as soft curd milk. Next one is flavored milk. It is the type of the milk to which some flavor may be added into the milk, and that type of the milk containing the 2% fats is known as flavored milk. Next one is vitaminized milk. In this type of the milk which contain one or more than one vitamins is known as vitaminized milk. Next one is mineralized milk. It is the same type as a vitaminized, means this type of the milk contain minerals. The milk in which contain one or more than one minerals which is known as or added is known as mineralized milk. Frozen milk, the milk which has been partially concentrated and then solidified by the freezing process is known as frozen milk. Next one is fermented milk. The milk that should be made by the evaporating the selected microorganism to develop the characteristic flavor, body as well as texture is known as fermented milk. Standardized milk, the milk in which fats or solid not fats content may be adjusted to a predetermined level, why it should be increasing or decreasing the fat level into the milk is known as standardized milk. Standardized milks in which fats or SNF, both fat as well as SNF may be contained, and that should be adjusted to predetermined level, means increasing as well as decreasing the fats into the particular milk up to standard level is known as standardized milk. Reconstituted milk, or it is also known as rehydrated milk. This type of the milk that should be prepared by dispersing whole milk powder